Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add Kingdom Come Deliverance II to Steam if you have the game through the Xbox app or Microsoft Store as a Game Pass user. First, open Steam on your computer. At the bottom left corner, click on Add a Game, then select Add a non-Steam game. From the list, select any random application and click Add Selected Programs. After that, go to the game installation folder where the game is installed on your PC. Open the content folder and look for the Kingdom Come executable file. Now copy the game path from the File Explorer address bar. Go back to Steam, right-click on the added application, and go to Properties. In the Target section, inside the quotation marks, paste the copied game path. After the path, add a / and type the name of the game executable file. You can also rename the shortcut to the game name and, if you want, change the icon by selecting the game icon file from your desktop or game folder. You can also repeat the same process by adding another non-Steam game entry and linking it to the game launch helper file using the same steps. Once everything is set up, you can launch the game directly from Steam. That's it. This is how you can add and launch Kingdom Come Deliverance II on Steam. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.